Hello travelers. Have a nice day. Today we are talking about Kandy, a beautiful place in Sri Lanka. Kandy is a vibrant city located in the central highlands of Sri Lanka. Known for its rich cultural heritage and natural beauty, Kandy offers a multitude of attractions and experiences. Here are some more details about Kandy. Temple of the Tooth Relic. Sri Dalada Maligawa, one of the most significant Buddhist sites in the country, the Temple of the Tooth Relic houses a sacred tooth relic believed to be that of Lord Buddha. Visitors can witness daily rituals and pay homage to the revered relic during special ceremonies. Kandy Lake, Keri Mahuda, nestled in the heart of the city, Kandy Lake is a picturesque man-made lake that adds to the city's charm. Take a leisurely stroll along the lakeside, enjoy the tranquility, and capture stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Peradeniya Royal Botanical Gardens, located just outside Kandy, the Peradeniya Royal Botanical Gardens is a vast expanse of lush greenery, featuring an extensive collection of exotic plants, orchids, and giant trees. Explore the serene pathways, admire the colorful flora, and witness the beauty of the garden's iconic avenues of royal palms. Cultural dance performances. Kandy is renowned for its traditional Kandian dance performances, showcasing captivating rhythms, intricate costumes, and acrobatic movements. Attend a cultural show to witness these vibrant performances, including the mesmerizing firewalking ritual. Udawattakali Sanctuary, a tranquil forest reserve located near the city center, Udawattakali offers nature lovers an escape into a lush green oasis. Explore the winding trails, encounter diverse flora and fauna, and enjoy panoramic views of Kandy from the viewpoints within the sanctuary. Bhairavokanda Vihara Buddhist statue, standing tall on a hill overlooking the city, the Bhairavokanda Vihara Buddhist statue is a magnificent landmark in Kandy. Climb to the top to enjoy panoramic views of Kandy and its surroundings. Kandy Isala Purahira. If you visit during the month of August, you have the opportunity to witness the Grand Kandy Isala Purahira, a vibrant cultural procession featuring beautifully adorned elephants, traditional dances, musicians, and colorful parades. This festival celebrates the sacred tooth relic and is a truly remarkable spectacle. Kandy Market. Explore the bustling streets of Kandy Market, filled with an array of local produce, spices, handicrafts, and souvenirs. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere, interact with friendly vendors, and shop for unique items to take home. British Garrison Cemetery. Step into the past at the British Garrison Cemetery, a serene resting place for British colonial-era officials. Discover the beautifully maintained graves, each with its own story and historical significance. Ambulawawa Tower. Located on a hilltop near Kandy, the Ambulawawa Tower offers panoramic views of the city and its surroundings. Climb the spiral staircase to the top of the tower and admire the breathtaking vistas of the lush green landscapes and distant mountains. Kandy is a city that seamlessly blends cultural heritage with natural beauty, making it a captivating destination in Sri Lanka. Immerse yourself in the city's rich history, witness traditional rituals, explore its lush gardens, and embrace the warmth of its people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.